Yeah. Welcome to Amityville.
Detroit nigga.
The reason why rappers gotta pack pistols.
Why is that?
Slick criminal with the shit I spit you. Like a bullet came back to dismiss